Is we are doing my full beauty supply store lip gloss haul. Now, y'all know I love a good beauty supply lip gloss, and for $2 is very glossy. Now, one of my favorite one of all time is the coconut one. Basically, this smells freaking amazing, and for $2 you cannot beat it. Basically, y'all do not buy backups and stuff. I really like it, basically, but they got that. This came out for Valentine's lip gloss, basically. I love this down. I bought a second one just in case they don't bring it back or they stop like selling it, basically. But this is freaking the bomb. Now, another one that came out for Valentine's Day. Now, y'all know I'm not the biggest fan of peach scents. Like, I just don't like peach scents. Not like, I like it, but not like that. Now, this is the peach lip gloss. This smells amazing. It's not like too peachy. Now, E lip oil. This, oh yeah, it still has the plastic on it because I have not like opened it yet. But this is freaking bomb. This actually hydrates your lips down. Now, another one of my favorites. Now, before I started doing homeschool with all my outfits, because I popped out every like Friday, my outfit had to match my lip gloss. So, for example, if I was wearing like a khaki brown outfit, I brought this one. If I was wearing like a red outfit, I brought this one. But anyway, this is one of my go-to. High school, I stayed using this down. It makes your lips glossy as heck. This is the bomb. But bestie, comment down below, girl, which one is your favorite lip gloss from the beauty supply store, girl, and which one was your favorite scent out of these besties. And until next time.